Hello, this is ABONG. Today I'll show you how to make delicious Doenjangjjigae, which is Korean fermented soybean paste stew. First, add dried anchovy stock in a pot. Click and check my dried anchovy stock video clip if you want to know how to make base stock. When stock starts to boil, add soybean paste. Make sure whisk until you don't see any lumps. If the stew is lumpy, the texture and taste aren't good. And cut potato, shiitake mushroom, and tofu into 1.2 cm cubes. Cut onion and zucchini into 1.2 cm pieces as well. It's good to have the same size of vegetables, otherwise it takes different time to cook. Then chop up green and red chili pepper and green onion. Now add potato, onion, zucchini into boiling soup. Put the veggies which take longer time to cook first. This formula is the same to cook all Korean foods. Once potato cooked halfway, add chopped garlic, red chili powder, shiitake mushroom, and tofu. Once start to boil, add chopped green onion, peppers, and Enoki mushrooms. Oh, listen to that bubbling sound. I'm getting so hungry. Let's enjoy when it's hot with warm rice. Yummy!